Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make my boneless teriyaki chicken thighs. You may order this dish at your local mall or for takeout. However, I will show you how I create this dish for my family on a budget. You want to start off with some chicken thighs, lightly seasoned, grilled on both sides. And once they are done, you want to chop them up into small pieces to place in your sauce. All right, so for the sauce, you want to add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Once you add your garlic, give it a good stir. Once you give it that stir, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, once you add the brown sugar, at this point, you want to turn the stove down so that way you don't cook it too high, because you just want to stir in and melt the brown sugar. You do not want the brown sugar to burn. So just make sure you watch it, give it a stir, and do not take your eyes off of this process. All right, so now I am going to add my teriyaki sauce. You can add whatever teriyaki sauce you have from your local store. And continue to give it a stir, because remember, when it's on low, the sauce is getting thicker. So that's why you want to continue to stir the sauce. All right, so now I am going to take my chopped boneless chicken thighs that I cut up into pieces. And once you add all of your meat in, you just want to make sure you evenly toss and coat the chicken. And again, make sure your stove is down low, because as it continues to cook, the sauce is going to thicken, and you will be able to see that as the video continues. All right, so at this time, you are going to continue to watch it. As you can see, the sauce is getting thicker and thicker. You can make this over some rice, some stir-fry noodles, whichever you prefer for your family. I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, you have a blessed day.